If your apps or games aren't opening on BlueStacks 5, don't worry. These are the most reliable fixes, the same solution that Reddit users say work the most. Open the BlueStacks and go to settings and go to graphics and set this graphics renderer to DirectX and select save changes option and select restart now. This is the top one solution on Reddit for black screen, white screens, and apps stuck during launch. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Go to search menu and type Windows switches on or off. Click on open the tan Windows switches on or off. In here, you just need to uncheck Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Virtual Machine Platform, and then select OK option and restart your PC. According to Reddit threads, this fix alone solves a huge percentage of launch issues. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Some apps won't it run properly on 64-bit or newer Android versions. You just need to open this BlueStacks multi-instance manager and select the stop all option and select close all and select instance and select fresh instance. Click on the drop down and select here Nougat 32-bit instance and select next. Select here in CPU cores 4 memory allocation, select enhanced 4GB and resolution, select your monitor's resolution and the performance mode set to high performance and select the download option. This fix is heavily recommended on Reddit, especially for games stuck on loading, instant app crashes, title with anti-emulator checks. Whenever you start the BlueStacks, you just need to start this BlueStack multi-instance manager and start here Nougat 32-bit. Right now we created. Select the start option. And now you can launch your app inside this instance. If that didn't work, try this next fix. Outdated graphics drivers are a major cause of crashes and black screens. Update your Nvidia, AMD or Intel drivers to the latest version. Check my video description for the site link. Select the link and the official site will open up. In manual driver search, you just need to search by graphics card driver model. If you doesn't know your model, then search in here device manager and click on open it. Expand the display adapter section. Here you can able to see by graphics card model. In manual driver search, type by graphics card model and type the Windows as well. In my case, I got two results. One is for laptop user and one is for PC. I'm going to select PC and select the find option. Under GeForce Game Ready driver, select the view option. Select the download option. After this download done, install the latest driver, guys. Many Reddit users report the issue disappearing after a GPU update. If nothing else works, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall BlueStacks completely and then run this BSTCleaner. Present that. Select the support BlueStacks.com site second link. Scroll down. When able to see uninstalling BlueStack, please wait. Select use this tool option and it will start downloading. After the download done, double click on the BSTCleaner and select yes. And this will completely uninstall the BlueStacks. So process has been finished. Please try downloading the latest BlueStacks app from official site. Click on OK. Now you just need to open up a new tab and search BlueStacks 5 and select the first site and scroll down. For Windows, select this Android 11 64-bit. to the download and click on it and install it, guys. This fixes problem caused by corrupted engine or config files. And these are the 5 fixes that worked for lots of people on Reddit. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.